So many of you guys are reporting that you haven't received the Arcade Insider email. That was out today. So here I'll talk about what are the things you have made mistake and how you can get the Arcade Insider now in detail. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, do like the video and do hype the video. Coming to the topic directly, the Insider emails are out for the Cohort to 2025. If you are participating just now in the season 1 of the 2026, then you will not receive this email. You did not to worry and panic about it. This is only for the people for the cohort 2 who have completed the challenges and have earned at least any milestone. So you can see here a person has earned 95.96 actually. He comes under legend tier, so he has got the email. Now here we have two type of students, one who hasn't received the email, second who has received the less email, I mean less points email. So first thing you need to check whether you have filled the subscription form or not. So let me show you, this is our arcade homepage. And here you can see a subscribe here form was there. Have you filled the form in 2025 or not? If you try to fill the form, then also you are not eligible for the swags. So if you have filled the form, then you are safe, as the Arcade Insider email is still being rolled out, right? The mails are still being rolled out. So you wait for some time. Also check your spam section, promotion section, and just check your update section. Okay, just check the spam promotion section and the update section. You must have got the email by then. If it's still face issue, you haven't received the email, then just email to this support team that I have not received the email. Second most important thing is that if you haven't received the Arcade Insider email and you are worried about the less points also, like many people are saying that I have achieved 95 points, but in email you are seeing 72 points. So now here comes a catch. You need to confirm that whether you were registered in the facilitator program or not. Facilitator program or not. Like you were registered in the facilitator program or not. If you don't know about the program, do not worry. We'll cover it in the upcoming video. But this is for the previous participants. Have you registered in the facilitator program or not? Have you completed the milestone that time or not by October 13? Okay, by October 13, have you completed any milestone or not? Have you received any bonus points? Okay, like 15 bonus points, there was a mail out for all the participants. If you have received the bonus points and you are sure that you have earned a bonus point, take that screenshot of that email and the final insider email and just share your public profile URL from the settings to this support team. Okay, just reach out to them, they'll share all the details. Sometimes due to bug the points are sent inaccurate, you can simply reach out to them. And like this you can just get you saved and your prizes. Prize emails will be out very soon. Stay tuned for it. And do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you still have any query, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.